Today we are starting to install the irrigation line under Baker Street. Right now the contractors are in the trench and they're going to start chipping away at a concrete or cement slurry that's above an electrical duct bank. Under Baker Street, there's a lot of electrical lines, and those are buried about 6 feet underground, and those lines are encased in concrete already for protection. But then above that, there's maybe 4 feet deep, just concrete or cement slurry. We need to put our irrigation pipe through that. So today we're going to be chipping away at that slurry and then continuing to install the trench under Baker Street.
They're going to use what we affectionately call a jumping jack, which is a compaction machine for use in small spaces. We're making a firm base upon which to set the pipe so that when we ultimately backfill the pipe, there's no dips in the street.
We got our subgrade here now in the trench. So first we get subgrade, and after subgrade we get our bedding. The bedding is pretty much where the pipe sits on. It could either be rock, sand, it could be encased in concrete, it could be encased in slurry. It all depends on what the contractor wants. So that's next.